In this short video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create an SBOM from a Docker container. And then we'll use that SBOM and see if we can find out any vulnerabilities or any problems inside that Docker container using SBOM Observer. Alright, to get started, we're going to use Trivy, which is an SCA tool by Aqua Security. And Trivy can produce an Cyclone DX format SBOM, which is what we're going to use today. So I prepared a one-liner that will help you get started quite quickly to produce an SBOM from any kind of Docker container that you might have. So I'm going to share this one-liner in the description or in the details somewhere, so you don't have to copy this just now. So what we actually do here is that we are telling Docker to run the aquasec-/trivy. Then we're telling it to produce an SBOM using the Cyclone DX format. And today we're going to look at a quite common image on the internet. It's WordPress. So we selected an image here, 6.4 release candidate 1. But you can take any Docker image here that you like to analyze. So let's just go ahead and run that. It's going to take a little bit of time to do this, but it's fairly quick. There we go. Really fast today. So we're going to look at the file here. We told it to name it result.cdx. So just looking at the JSON document here, it's not that interesting for a human to read this, but we can see that all the different components that it has detected is in here. But we're going to go ahead and upload that to SBOM Observer. So using the live demo, you can actually just try it out and upload your SBOM without creating an account or anything. Just head on over to SBOM.observer and open the live demo. And from there you can select attestations, and then we have upload attestation. So we're going to select the SBOM that we just created and upload that. That's very quick. We can see that it has detected 128 components. And over here we can see that we also have detected 21 vulnerabilities in those components. So let's have a look at WordPress in detail. So let's just click the container. And here we see in the details section, we can see a lot of things. First thing we see is that the WordPress Docker image is layered in 3 different layers here. We have the WordPress, we have the PHP, and we have the Alpine. So Alpine is the operating system that everything is based on in this image. And then we have the PHP application or language. And on top of that we have the WordPress image. So clicking on the WordPress layer highlights the actual commands that were used to build this container. And looking here, we can see we have a breakdown of the different vulnerabilities per layer. So actually looking at this one that has a critical vulnerability, the red one here, you can click on it and expand, and then we'll see what components we detected or Trivy detected in this layer. And heading over to vulnerabilities, we can see what SBOM Observer has detected for vulnerabilities in this layer as well. From here we can look at the different severities. Let's sort by severity so we can see what we think is most critical here. We have a ghost script contains some kind of vulnerability. And maybe we would like to look at the EPSS score to see what is probably most exploitable from these vulnerabilities, and we see it's the same. So pretty much tells us that we need to look at this vulnerability. Clicking Analyze, we are looking into the actual vulnerability in a little bit more details. We can look at the description and try to figure out what's going on here. So actually that was kind of everything I wanted to talk about today. There's a lot of more features in SBOM Observer, of course. You can look at the graph and see where this vulnerability exists in our maybe a little bit more complex environment if we're using this for more than one container. But this is pretty much what I just wanted to show you today. How easy it is to create an SBOM from a container, any kind of container, and then do some analysis in SBOM Observer of that container. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye for now.